Welcome back, everyone. What you're looking at here is my rug that's about to get cleaned professionally. So look at this long tube. It's coming from the front door. Anyway, so I have this shaggy rug in here that was impossible to get it clean myself, and I have it sitting outside here for a while. So I called this guy. You're gonna see him in a minute. So we're gonna start the process. So it's basically vacuuming and soaping at the same time, I guess.
And the water is extremely hot.
Oh, it is?
It's over 250 degrees.
Oh, that's cool. I thought it was cold water, so no, it's...
Yeah.
So it's a plus.
The water does not clean it up.
Right. So this is the carpet doctor. His name is Amir. If you are somewhere near South Florida, give them a call. It's a reputable, nice business. And what else do you guys do? I know they're about to also do my duct cleaning.
Yeah, we do upholstery cleaning, sofas, mattresses. We do cars, seats and carpet.
Tile and grout. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's definitely a good suction right there. So you have the soap in there, or it's just water? Okay. Nice. And then you go back with the reins, or no? Another reins after, since this is a soapy.
So this is every pass I do. After I finish it, I'll go give it another pass. As I'm doing it now.
Yeah.
And then my last pass would be dry.
Okay.
It won't dry completely, but I give it a dry pass like now, without water.
I see. Makes sense. Nice. And then I'm just gonna have it under cover there, let it dry for a few days, completely dry, and then I'm gonna store it. Oh, cool, cool. And this is a pretty thick rug, keep in mind, so. And they also do it right in your house. You don't need to bring the rug outside. Let me get your company right here. So that's Carpet Doctor, and this is Amir.
Thank you.
Here we do the back, and look at that steam. That's 220 degrees. Nice. Definitely worth it. And there we are, the day after. So I left this rug overnight. I flip it over the table here, and it's completely dry. Very nice. It came out amazing. I'm so impressed. Amir helped me, brought the rug back to an original. Basically, this is the true colors. So beautiful. Highly recommend this company, and definitely check them out. The prices are amazing in comparison with some other quotes I got. Carpet Doctor is definitely the solution. Reliable, competitive prices, definitely very happy, and I'm going to use the service again. I'm going to have them do my duct cleanings, like I said, and some tile and all that. So this is what I did here. I elevate this rug on the table here with some pillows and things so the air can circulate under, and now it's perfectly dried, and I'm gonna store it. I'm not gonna put it back on the floor because I have another rug I purchased, but I love my rug, so I'm not letting it go. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy this process. I wanted to share with you guys because companies like that are hard to find somebody you can trust, and prices, you know, is a big competition out there, and is worth sharing some good experiences. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for exciting projects. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and see you soon. Ciao ciao.